In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to Webflow. Start by signing into your Google Analytics account and creating a property for your website if you don't already have one. Once your property is ready, go to Admin, select Data Streams, and open your website stream. Copy the measurement ID, which starts with G-. Next, sign into Webflow and open the project you want to track. Go to Project Settings and select the Integrations tab. Find the Google Analytics section and paste your measurement ID into the tracking field. After that, save your changes and publish your website. Be sure to publish to all connected domains so the tracking code is added to your live site. Now open your published website in a new tab and browse a few pages. Then return to Google Analytics and open the real-time report to verify that your visit is being recorded. Once the connection is working, Google Analytics will automatically collect data about your visitors, page views, traffic sources, and user activity. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add Google Analytics to Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.